Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to check travel guidelines for traveling to Maldives. So I'll be taking you to Go Airline website, which is the official Go Airline website. Okay, so here you can see it is www.goair.in. You need to click here, goair.in. So once you are at the website, you will get to see the fourth option, which is travel information. And once you click on here, you will get to see state-wise guidelines. So you'll have to scroll down a little bit for that to check the Maldives guidelines. See here. So here these are the travel guidelines for Indian passengers who are willing to travel to Maldives. So they have some categories. The passengers categories are allowed to travel, यानी कि कौन कौन से पैसेंजर्स कैटेगरीज है जिनको लाइक ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं टू मालदीव्स. सो दे हैव मेंशन योर टूरिस्ट, शॉर्ट टर्म विजिटर्स, Maldivian nationals, then these are the below 3 more categories. And also they have given the second option is RT-PCR guidelines. RT-PCR test is compulsory for traveling to Maldives. And they have also again given like categories A, B, C, D, E. So you need to check in which category you fit and you need to follow the guidelines. See, they have also mentioned the above passenger categories are not subject to a 14 days quarantine, however must be in possession of RT-PCR negative certificate. So basically आपको क्वारंटीन नहीं किया जाएगा 14 दिन के लिए unless and until you have the RT-PCR negative certificate. So you need to follow all the RT-PCR guidelines. You need to read carefully. Okay, and they have also mentioned the RT-PCR report should be a government approved, should be from the government approved laboratory, that is ICMR. Here you will get to see the fourth clause as well. Following categories of passengers are exempted from pre-arrival RT-PCR requirements. So इसमें आते हैं Maldivian nationals, holders of a valid work permit or work visa, holders of any other residence permit of Maldives. So here you can see all they have given in detail, that is guidelines for passengers traveling to Maldives. Guidelines for all the passengers except tourists. See, so they have divided all the categories in 4, which is first you will get to see passenger categories allowed to travel. कौन से passengers को allow किया जाएगा. Then second is RT-PCR guidelines. Then you will get to see third clause guidelines for all passengers except tourists, and the fourth is guidelines for tourists. And they have also given the guidelines for passengers from Maldives to India, that's from Mali to India. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि it is vice versa. If you're traveling to Maldives, they have given the guidelines to Maldives. If you're traveling back to India, they have as well given the guidelines to India from Maldives. So these are the guidelines which you need to follow compulsory if you're traveling to India from Maldives to Maldives from India. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, please like the button, and do not forget to share the video.